So just now, we were enjoying some delicious smoked rice. Can you pass it over here, dude, so I can show the gang what it's. So essentially, what this is if you've ever been really hungry and not had enough to eat, it's you get rice. You get a lot of rice, and then you put milk. And look at that, milk rice, like, dude. I think there's a hair in it. Yeah, I swallow the hair. Oh, I'm trying to swallow the hair. It's still. I can feel it, dude. It's a long hair. But it's okay because I'm poor. And this is milk and rice at Quest for Salt. Tastes a little like mole. Tell me, mijo, where did you purchase the milk for this delicious goat milk? Sweetest of all milks. Only challenge. It's raw. Boiled to the point of complete boiling. I'm serious, I think there's hair. I don't know. Dude. There's hairs in the milk. It's a hairy goat, dude. Hairiest goat of my life. Stop.